In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Microsoft Edge. First, begin by opening Microsoft Edge. You can find the Edge icon either on your desktop or in the taskbar. Once the browser launches, you will be greeted by the homepage. If you have a specific homepage set, that will appear instead. Now, it is crucial to log into your Gmail account. You can do this by visiting gmail.com. If you are already logged in, you will see your inbox right away. If not, enter your email address and password. This step ensures you have access to your emails and settings, making the next steps more effective. Once you are logged in, you will notice the familiar layout of your Gmail inbox complete with your messages and folders. This is where your journey begins. Next, look for the three dots, known as the menu icon, located in the top right corner of the browser window. This icon is a key feature in Microsoft Edge, providing you with various options to customize your browsing experience. When you click on these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu includes options like New Tab, New Window, and more. It is important to familiarize yourself with this menu as it contains many helpful features. Once you see the menu, you are ready for the next step. From there, hover over the Apps option in the drop-down menu. You will see that this section allows you to manage applications and websites that you can install as apps. Hovering over it will reveal more options. This step is essential because it leads you to the option to install Gmail as a standalone app. This can enhance your productivity by giving you quick access to your emails, just like a dedicated application would. After hovering, you will see a new selection appear, allowing you to proceed. Now click on Install this site as an app. This action will prompt a new window to appear, and you will see a field to enter the name of the app. This is where you will name your app. It's a straightforward step, but it has a significant impact on how you access your Gmail later. Naming it something recognizable, like Gmail, ensures you know exactly what the app is when you look for it. It keeps your apps organized and easy to find. Once you have entered Gmail in the name field, you are almost finished. Next up, click on the Install button. This finalizes the process of creating a Gmail app on your Microsoft Edge. After you click Install, you will see a confirmation that Gmail has been successfully added to your apps. This signifies that you can now access your Gmail directly from your apps list, making it quicker and more convenient. It reduces the time you spend navigating through the browser each time you want to check your emails. Once installed, you can pin this app to your taskbar for even easier access. After completing these steps, you will find Gmail in your apps list. You can quickly launch it like any other application on your computer. This method not only streamlines your email access but also enhances your productivity. With Gmail as an app, you can receive notifications and manage your emails more efficiently. You can now enjoy a smooth and integrated experience while using Gmail on Microsoft Edge. Remember, this little step saves you a lot of time later. Now you are all set to manage your emails with ease. Thank you for following along.